Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the sounds of WH in our Learning to Read program. WH can make the W sound. A long time ago, people used to say the H after the W so it sounded differently than W by itself. Today, most of us can't hear the difference between W and WH. I'm going to read you some words. I want you to point to the letters making the W sound in each word. Whistle, whale, wheat. Great. WH can also make the H sound, but it is less common than the W sound. As I read the words, I want you to point to the letters making the H sound in each word. Who, whole, whose. Great job. Now I'm going to show you letters. I want you to say the sounds they make. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sound, and then I will say the sound so you can check your work. W or who. W or h. E or e. E or e. A or e. E or I or e. A or a. A. U or U or oo or or U or oo. U or oo. S. Great. Now I'm going to show you some words. I'll give you 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read the word so you can check your work. Who, whale, whip, whose, wheat. Great job. You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.